Nansan se was study ahwa Akebeneza Dr.Likee Rasnene ne nkomo bi a odi obra obekọ interview a yebebusa ne se na yesi Kumawood no twen ho na enuru so ase o yaje atawani ase bia no ne responder ode ema no ekire se ase obi edi nkomo bi amanate na ebusa madoko dokurumu ewrewremu bela Asamoah edi nkomo na ya papa Asamoah nyameche esoso edi nkomo miracle farms asem na meken ono so edi nkomo eno na amanfo atresti asem no amano ayete se de chese omu akasa amano atwi Dr.Likee ebusa me wo ha se mechechire mu amoache ase feel free na eche wadwen efa video abehwe ho comment section na uwia share video ma wonu abinsa entumi ka mesel baba den se obe follow yen all the social media handles TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube as Strong Media GH. Ejabusia me boni tew de amawod ya Dr.Likee sha ase kan sansem wi wo bra oni shatawale anything nyina ekopie mu Angela from ewu Kumase.
When it got to ejaku time ye ka say ejaku and edru no so obi on a rain abroso okay. When it got to kwakumanu ye praise say on na edru no so when it got to Lewen ye praise say edru so ada na edru like nko so na de abe chinye se nyon ne kura Kumawood kan abro ni bisa na me ka say ada na edru no nko so ada na topic aye discuss
tira bepe enye Kumawood sam na me bekita we kura mi street me wo mi street me no wo mo kura nya na me pe Nenka se be kache me se me na me kita Kumawood da bi street promi na mesu apart from street you know me emu ne say da bia metime anya akwara ogina traffic mienu miensa no so abetwa bi
no nya bibia
no so abe star asa enya me na ena ese like na dabi
me na me de baye ena
go de bikusi kwa wo bikusi bikusi sounds a me bo wo ni bi odi o artist anya di super so odi su ne friend super odi wadane eja osofu dazi wadane eja bikusi woko sk opon turumutu oko wo de na abeje enti en kamom ne mo bo enuamo ne move together ne enko no a rasta watwa enye nipa nyina na abekwa
obetimi asaba
many of them rasta ne me di movie achi sa eye day because untimi mfa busiri e me play Mr. B role
Dabi
Mr. B untimi medani busiri
yeah
ba me metimi afri busiri abeba Mr. B a opa e mama baso
na sesi
me hu me ho se me ko
Ebuse Asamoah enra omusa kopiem ewo Kesben TV Kesben FM na sankomo kro ye esa akoso ewo ho ema ye busa ne se yesi Kumawood no twen hu na enye wona de ba ye ebuse Dr.Likee esanso emeki submissions bia na chese odwe hu kwa akira chese ase obi adi nkomo bi amanate ana obi aka asem bi akire no se ne hu nipa bi aka asem bi a anye ono Dr.Likee no ede
just like what they are doing to my brother right here. We say Matis here say on throne bo ne Kumawood no nyon de buy na ade wako kasa on ade buy na
nyina baabi enka asem na da we need time se me ko gina baabi say na niema mpo aye wa wo niema no wa hyehye no uni so afo afre obi chale misra wonso me mu na onso ame nipa ba akutimi so anema se nipa bebre we be so ha na we aso ha na we aso ha
enti aden akoji
minim nyina baabi nso nkoka baabi ena woni pakro wonte mano ene kasa so etime de me no do ba mi bia maba mu chese wo twa me mene
unia bambuo
dabi me ni abambuo esole me wa me shazi kasi o esole ametuma de
enu na me ka se
enye de wo no na ye me die o
de wo de no
na ye me die
yeti konkura na
what yes ye nyina ye boa na industry na ye dey
apega
enye me nkoa na me ko pega wo me nkoa me ntimi ade so we metimi
ntimi
me ni me nuanom me colleagues ene ye nyina ye dey ye nti se banes ene ye twabo me na ye di matema enye no ane say yi konfa nkoma pembe bi atan mapem dokunu bi adi mesre say industry ni ye nyina ye nye dey
okay
come home ni empagya de ne nchirima na eba no omu na this new system eba mu enkura na eba no na obaketo akwa de phone man na hwede ode be
yeah
itiye masa nkura ne kwan me de no sa de be chim na awurade be ye madom na ade a chime
aboskemu
na menya wo bia wo street aboske we ogina we de aduma no betim na
ontimi nya hwe
so etime de me de no se de bia menya nipa foforo what talent na metimi aboa ma na talent na ede
apie
me de no
aside no de obi aka bia na ma
Peter se me de ontimi me ka bibi nsi manim se aboa na akwase
David
sebe woni mu nyi hu nse me yeah and now the mini asem
David
no I can't be this time around we living in scientific world
me da say Allah what we living in there
scientific world
that's
ye young come say we bufu me kwa me we are one of catch him say hey they say na okura Kumawood me correct catch us chale
men kanisa
kasa ye nyina ye baako ne nyina ye nsum
yeah
na ye moa na adwuma ne mpagya so e bia wo me catch us ye kwasea ba how am besi aka kwasea na kire wo
no na dia sembe ba no no kre
o kan kura kire me aka kire me ba de wi abesi aka no kura kire me kire say what
time no kre eno kre pa eno kre
me meka no kre na kire wo
afutu e wo mu mienu de obey na nim ode betufo no na be kire so obefa na asa wo mfa
enye me na meka kire so time wa asema wo beka wo bi ogina chi no ota boy
kre
so etie nyi sa wo tan ni mfiri ye mu na enye me pa na sa me be like you
David
enye me pe
Yuko wakum nipa o movie mu a
what yes ena me ba so nya me nko na me didi opa bi so bia me ne nam bia
oh yeah
enye me nko na me didi
oh yeah minim pa
o mo me ne o mu ye adwuma ko opa bu mi sa papa kuma so me fon ko awunya me ni su fon opa bi sa o mo sa wan ye chisi ye hia unya me fon no ane makasa me mpe ayi bia me tembe me hyemadu kurum ba me kamea
me count
said the one don't kind. Obekwa akoka no obeyi ba akwa to ho. Hey, why you say intimacy mesre.
Yemfo do.
Ene koro ye. Say even akosi antwime ya ade na nya. Ka kire me ye. But emfa kasa kwa amfa nimatem. What must say?
Expect me say nsam fa wasem na wo ka no.
What you say? Aha, ka kire me. Akosi ade say. Ana obi a wo say. Oye Kumawood ni. O mebo mi audio a magina baabi akase
me na maje
o mo fa sa audio no
me da se
utie ni nkomo ni mienu nyina eya me ye sure se wo hu baabi a wo free eba na bibia nso di adanse ye se obi edi nkomo bi ma me fa nko achi kakra about 1 month ago na me amenu papa J of Polino Multimedia ene ye papa Samunya meche etwetwe nkomo ene na eye over by 1 hour na minya adaje pa ehwe interview ni nyina ekosi na baby obusa ya papa eno me pese wutie ene say
in time you say YouTube is starting more producers na mo wo dada no asa say mama artists ni mom anya upper hand wo mo producers no so musumu na nka na yenim say mo twese ni nka air divert ni ka de munyina na ekobet this some artists ni mom adani producers na mo amoye the real producers ni yen sheda e ho mo nyuma
the ten say untimi kan sa adwuma bia wo ye bia no adwuma ne nyini ene enyini so a ewo ene wo so a wo manana ebe wo mama be ntino sidipa no ya artist no ba be producer eso produce no ana min blame wo because even esi etimi bo ma baso dey say dimbo man edu point bi na producers ni nyina ye withdraw efiri adwuma ni mu ye nyina withdraw because you feel say returns in yedebe emma ana returns in man no be den wa ye adwuma to be one na bia ni kunu aye de ben abomoden no aye de ben oboa no obi won so ano no sika wo no ye ne kakra eno na sustain adwuma na bedru sabre enti no mo kura se obo mo ba so obi ti se na na ye mesese edu ni kunu ta na chi production wo ye ene ba TV series no ma wa jejina ho nti wohwɛ nana yire mesese du ne kunu nana agimendua ye kunsu hina pia wonana ye da wahye oji adwuma ne gina ho abra na wotwa no nya sika bia ne de nti oyema adum TV for no money woye ena ba de ben ababechina eno ka ho bi ena nei no attracting crofo bibiri omo so ye series ne bi wohwe Matilda so started for UTV eyade a oyema womo ana ono na gini sika ya aide abegina enhwe lewen you see Selewin and trust ni okofa Nigeria for ne no ye nyina ma hwan na ye producers ni nyina tiada entinesi e bon mamba so se adwuma no to fom nyina achi no omu nyina e prese de be e be sorry and me do masi because adwuma bia wo mu ne awutum a adwuma no enoa na be boawo enoa ene be ma wotimi agina omo anwane anya adwuma no obi ti Selewin ko bitime jazz o me ko business foforo obi ti sana na ye obi ti maka so ko ebi foforo Matilda so the same thing omo di sika no bi nkofo de be dom omo se omo ko bo bank busin omo di aba enti producers ni majority dwane we break through ko ye omo dwuma they are businessmen enti no be sika wo no be de be obeba enti me blame omo I think say bo omo ba so wo adwuma pa omo ya omo timi as to sustain industry no based on omo producing a with the YouTube ne no nyina omo ya de
minyadaji ehye video ni nyina si manhu ba bi a ye papa eka say eye Dr.Likee mom na enam so ema Kumawood agina wanka ne sa wo ba bi ada but CEO of Polino Multimedia na mechire Polino na nkasa ene eye Asamoah ekodi nkomo ne nkoma omudi no na Polino ebusa ne say
Miracle Films ene fresh boy papa je twetwe nkomo Polino Multimedia haya na o make key statement say senkenya Dr.Likee enka the film industry is dead. Do you agree?
No. That is an unfortunate statement. That's a very unfortunate statement. Why would he say that?
Because in Kofobi can say Dr.Likee now hold the film industry.
You see, let me tell you something. In as much as I applaud my younger brother for what he's doing, you see, let us not always be quick to overpraise.
Okay.
When you do that, you make the other people feel what?
Okay.
What are you talking about?
No.
Let me tell you something. You see, I am looking at it from this angle.
Okay.
Dr.Likee. Oh yeah, dear pa.
Okay.
But a onukwan oh yeah, dear oyanana.
Oh,
he's got other people. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
He has a team.
Yeah.
I want you Juma.
Okay. So be on there front line.
What is front line? What is front line? It is a teamwork. It is teamwork, my brother.
Okay. And can it be say okay, Dr.Likee in the team and Aji Kumawood this so yes
it's not true. It is never true.
Okay.
What is he talking about? On the GC as in how? He's working, other people are working. When Likee and Co were doing their thing, the likes of Mercy Siedu and Dams were equally shooting TV series as well. You understand? There were equally other production houses who were also working.
Okay.
You know what I say? And let me tell you something. There is no way an industry would die.
Like the film industry.
How can you say it's dying, it's dead? It's like, what do you mean when you say it's dead?
Said now you had the production like before and like if I said 2020 coming in and not nekofum pa.
Nekofum but productions were going on.
Yeah. But the likes of Likee more pushy man for
pushy how? They were doing their bit.
Yeah, way.
Other people were also working. There are production houses in Accra who were equally working. What is here? What I'm trying to say is that if we have challenges as an industry,
it doesn't make it dead.
It doesn't make it dead. What is he saying? You see, that is how they talk. And Emma Obisu feel say, or no na di Kumawood buy. And then or no anka Kumawood in Kumawood. How can you say that? We were working before he came into the industry or came into the system. We supported each other. We were all worked. When you become the favorite of the masses, it doesn't mean that you are the single person who is holding everything.
Because we have DOPs, we have editors.
You understand what I'm saying? I don't think I may make a say. In as much as I feel say almost Jumano, there are other people who are supporting. And you go because a bako for no ABCD in Tina industry ni jina wa omo makano. Oh yo mo dey. Ubu omo nimti and I say oh disregarding omo effort. Masa, Obia from 2000 and whatever, Omu Nina Obia Juma.
Okay.
Everybody has worked. So what is it? Yes, like I said, like Akabaneza, Likee, or whoever you call it, me I call him Nene, because he has done well. He's done marvelously well. So what is it? He's upped his game. And on the team, no, Juma Amma. Yes, almost side of the industry. There's kids and everything, and a lot of people are on YouTube are watching. A lot of people have equally joined them, and then you've got masses of people. Now, a lot of production houses are shooting series and dropping them on YouTube. All kind courtesy of Omomo Echo YouTube. So what I say. Yeah, almost say, but it doesn't mean say almost new ananka industry negu.
Enti nsem yi na wo hwe a eye Akabeneza eti ya anya ne de utimu se baabi wo ho a o metirem akire no because me amenime bra no brofo no nse enye ni nyina na obeti ase yesa. Enti ebi a enchiremu a amanfo ede ma no mom na bi a baabi a na ye brofo no wanti ase yi anase bia bi sa because se o we ensem a ye papa Samuel Nyameche eka ye na se o de compare to eye Asamoah ede ya omo pa che se enye baakofo na enam ne so edisi ye ka se baakofo mom na agi industry no ede esi ho a na je se eye wrong but presenters here omo interview eye aka Ebeneza yi se de omo si eputu question no e kire se ase obi ahyeda adi nkomo aka nsem bi a etia eye Dr.Likee meme mom ne de mehu boni bi a ewo nsem a ya papa Asamoah Nyameche eka ye ene de Asamoah eka ye mu na se Akabeneza nso so defend say ya ebia na wate nsem bi e baabi foforo a enye de Asamoah eka ye anasa de ya papa Asamoah Nyameche eka ye nti abuso se wate ne huhu se Dr.Likee eyi nsem bia no se anyo na de Kumawood ba ye no de oye street boy street pona e na wahu na manene ade a meme momu de me find this am ye ene de me de amabesom yi aha eye strong media GH meda wase na mama obo ene hye mesere se obekye wadwen e wo comment section afa video a wa hye ho na wi a wa hye nso ama wonua bi ensa etumi aka aha eye strong media GH macrow